SYVCom students, today's lecture on partnership final accounts, lecture 3rd, problem number 1. When partners are allowed interest on capital, this is a type of problem. From the following trial balance, prepare the trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2017. Particulars, debit, credit. Now we are seeing here effect of these items are going to which account. One by one I will discuss here. Land and building 26,000 is going to balance sheet asset side. Sundry debtors balance sheet asset side 40,500. Sundry creditors 45,000 effect on liability side. Plant and machinery 20,000 asset side. Purchase of raw materials less returns effect on manufacturing account. Sales less returns effect trading account credit side. Finished stock 1st April 2016 18,000 trading account. Raw materials manufacturing account 3,500. Work in progress 2,000 manufacturing account. Wages 27,000 manufacturing account. Factory rent taxes 2,500 manufacturing account. Salaries to works manager 5,600 manufacturing account. Royalties also manufacturing account. Advertising 3,000 profit and loss account. Office rent and insurance profit and loss account. Printing and stationery 1,000. Office expenses 5,800 profit and loss account. Carriage inwards 1,100 trading account. Carriage outwards 600 profit and loss account. Discount allowed 1,400 profit and loss account debit balance. Discount received 1,100 profit and loss account credit side. Bad debts 750 profit and loss account. Reserve for doubtful debts 1,000, it is a provision. Factory expenses 3,400. Fixtures and fittings 2,000. Maintenance capital account 16,000. Basu's capital 25,000 capital account. Maintenance drawings 3,600. Basu's drawings 2,500. Maintenance loan 4,000. Cash at bank debit balance 3,500. Cash in hand 750 is transferred to balance sheet asset side. Total 2,15,500. Adjustments. The stock on 31st March 2017 was as follows. Raw materials rupees 4,500 effect at manufacturing account. Work in progress rupees 4,900 manufacturing account. Finished goods rupees 28,000 the effect at trading account. The outstanding expenses were factory rent rupees 250, its effect at add to factory expenses, and outstanding expenses at liability side. Wages rupees 600 add wages, and another effect is profit and loss account. Another effect is at liability side outstanding wages, and office expenses 3,000 add in office expenses, and another effect outstanding office expenses at liability side. Write off rupees 500 as a bad debts and provide here write off 500 from debtors, then another provision 5% reserve for doubtful debts, 2.5% provision for discount on debtors, depreciate building by 2%, charge depreciation at asset side 2%, and depreciation's effect made at profit and loss account debit side. Plant by 10% and fixtures and fittings by 10%. Charge depreciation 10% on fixtures and plant and depreciation effect to profit and loss account debit side. Menon and Basu are entitled to salaries of rupees 2,400 and 1,800. It is going to profit and loss appropriation account, 2,400 as a salary to Menon and 1,800 salary to Basu respectively per annum. 5% interest is to be calculated on capital. Here 5% interest should be calculated and that's effect to profit and loss appropriation account made at profit and loss appropriation account. The profits were shared in proportion of 3 as 5, share in proportion of 3/5 and 2/5 to both partners. Here prepare keynote. Consider revenue expenses and losses are income to draw trading and profit and loss account and capital items to draw balance sheet taking into account the adjustments. First we have to prepare manufacturing account and to get the cost of production and transfer to trading account. Manufacturing account for the year ended 31st March 2017. To opening stock of work in process 2000, opening stock of raw materials 3,500, raw materials purchased net of material 35,000, to carriage inwards 1,100, wages 27,000, add outstanding wages as per adjustment 600, total 27,600. Factory rent and taxes 2,500, add outstanding factory rent 250 as per adjustment, total 2,750. To salary to works manager 5,600, to royalties 1,200, to factory expenses 3,400, to depreciation on plant 2,000, by closing stock of raw materials 4,500, by work in process 4,900, total 9,400. Close here manufacturing account and get the balance of cost of production and that balance transfer to trading account. Trading account for the year ended 31st March 2017. Opening stock of finished goods 18,000. To cost of production, this balance is transferred from manufacturing account 74,750. By sales 1,23,400. By closing stock of finished goods 28,000. Close here trading account and get gross profit and gross profit balance transfer to profit and loss account credit side. Profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2017. Debit side, credit side. To depreciation of building 520. To depreciation furniture and fixtures 200. To advertising 3,000. To office rent and insurance 4,800. To printing and stationery 1,000. To office expenses add outstanding office expenses 3,000, total 8,800. To carriage outward 600. To discount allowed 1,400. To discount debtors 950. To bad debts 750. Add new bad debts 500. Add new RDD 2,000 less old RDD 1000. After the deduction of old RDD 2250, balance is 2250. By gross profit brought down 58,650, which is transferred from trading account. By discount received, which is balance given in trial balance. Here close the profit and loss account. After the closing of profit and loss account, net profit balancing figure is 36,230. Total of profit and loss account balance is 59,750. Net profit balancing figure 36,230. Balance of profit and loss account transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. By net profit brought down 36,230, which balance is transferred from profit and loss account. To salaries, maintenance 2,400, which is given in problem. Basu's salary 1,800, it is also given in problem. To interest on capital, Menon, it is calculated on Menon's capital. 1,250 interest on Basu's capital, 1,250, it is also calculated on his capital. Here we should close the profit and loss appropriation account. After the closing of appropriation account, net profit is 29,980, which balance is distributed among the partners in the proportion of Menon has 3/5, Basu has 2/5. Menon's share is 17,988, Basu's share is 11,992. This balance is transferred to partners capital account. Particulars Menon, Basu, particular Menon, Basu. Two drawings 3,600 for Menon, 2,500 for Basu. By balance, Menon's capital 16,000, Basu's capital 36,230. By salary of Menon 2,400, Basu salary 1,800. By interest on capital 800 and 1,250. By net profit, which balance is transferred from profit and loss account 17,988 for Menon, and for Basu 11,992. Total of partners capital account. Close the partners capital account. After the closing of partners capital account, closing balance to balance carry forward. Menon's balance is 33,588, Basu's balance 37,542. We have to transfer this balance to balance sheet as a partner's capital at liability side. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017, liability side, asset side. Capital, Menon's capital 33,488 as per balance of capital account. Basu's balance 37,542. Total 71,130. Menon's loan 4,000 as per trial balance. Creditors 45,000 as per balance of trial balance. Outstanding expenses, wages 600, factory rent 250, office expenses 3,000, total 3,850, asset side. Land and building 26,000, less 2% depreciation as per calculation 420, net balance 25,480, and depreciations effect to profit and loss account debit side. Plant and machinery 20,000, less depreciation 10% as per calculation 2,000, net balance 18,000. Fixtures and fittings 2,000, less depreciation 10% as per calculation, depreciation 200, net balance 1800 at outer. Closing stock, raw materials 4500, it is a transfer from manufacturing account. Work in progress 4900, it is also transfer from manufacturing account. Finished goods 28,000, it is a transfer from trading account. Debtors 40,500 less new bad debts 500 as per adjustment. After the deduction, net balance 40,000 less RDD 5% 2,000. After the deduction of new RDD, net balance 38,000 less discount on debtors 950. After the deduction of debtors, net balance 37,050. Cash at bank 3,500 as per balance of trial balance. Cash in hand 750. This is also as per trial balance. Total of balance sheet 1,23,900. Thank you.